guys, I'm in El Paso, Texas, and I just got done eating at the Great Steakhouse or something. Oh my god, it was so good. But back to the plants. We're at a local Lowe's, and as you can see, this is a really packed out, fully stocked Lowe's. Right now, I'm on the look for emerald green pothos and any kind of Hoyas that I can find. Like I said, I just ate, so this is going to be a pretty quick walkthrough overview of the plants. They do have some clearance here. And my eyes are watering. It's like 98 degrees outside, and my eyes are very sensitive to the sun, especially since the panorama. It's like I just can't take the sun. But yeah, they have these clearance plants here. There's no price on them, but I'm assuming they're probably like 50% off. Okay, here's the clearance. Lots of aglaonemas. Some yellow Dracaena, Mickey bamboo. There's one network calathea. As I always say, if I wasn't traveling, I would try to save one of these plants. That's how I basically got like my plant mom start, was buying clearance plants, because I started purchasing plants as soon as I graduated from college. And of course, I didn't have no money, so I would get the plants that were almost unalive. Creeping fig. I really want one of these, a staghorn fern. And I want to like attach it to something on the wall. Some global greens and the green pothos. They're starting to like blend in with each other. More green pothos down there. We have some peace lilies. These are like 26, I believe. Different ferns. Hanging some lucky bamboo. More of the majesty palms, which I think are 2 for $30 right now. Right? Yeah, like, what? I definitely, once I get home, I'm definitely going to get one of those. I'll think about it. Right now, I'm on this kick of just getting smaller plants, or kind of propagating what I already have. This is spiderwort, right? Or Tradescantia. Burgundy Tradescantia. I think the spiderwort is what I saw outside. There's some peperomia. This is one of my favorite. I think it's like a teardrop or something. Okay, calm down. Moving too fast. Some lucky bamboo. How much are these? I like these. $4.98. Definitely recommend buying those like at your local market, because they'll have them for a better price. And they also have like the shorter stalks. Feed us bugs. The Venus flytraps are probably like living a glorious life here, because I'm sure there's nothing but bugs going in that little hole. I think they give off some type of scent or something that makes the bugs go to them. Some watermelon peperomias. Different types of ivy. Anyway, we have some Baltic blues, lots of Baltic blues, some raven or supernova ZZs, but I think according to Costa Farms, it's raven for them. Hurricane ferns. Here's the rest of the Baltic blues down here. Like I said, there's a ton of them. Right now, these planters are $19.98. They range from like $18 to $19, just depending on what store you're in or what state you're in. Lots of watermelon peperomias, the Raven ZZs. They have some Raven ZZs that are $19.98 that are not inside of decorative pots. Probably the pot broke, because they're still selling it for the same price. Yeah, so they're trying to trick you and make you buy this for $19 when you could just buy this one. Let's see, is this $19? Yeah, literally the same price. Zimmaculus, I think these are called Zimmaculus Emerald or Zimmaculus Gem. I always call them like traditional ZZ plants, but they actually have a different name from. What is this, like a lemon lime philodendron? I think this is the lemon lime philodendron. Or a neon, a glow GD, wait. Philodendron Golden Goddess. That's what it's called. And then the other one's the Philodendron Green Goddess. Gave it a whole new name. Tro 30-inch decor metal tro cocoa planter. Okay. The Baltic blue. It's looking so good. Mine is like way more full than this, but I like how the leaves look when it has room to move around. Lowe's exclusive. Some dried berries and nuts and fruits. This is a pretty Dracaena. I've never seen this one. $14.98. Anna's Starburst. Anaya's Starburst. So this is Dracaena Anaya's Starburst, I believe. It's very pretty. I think that's one thing about Dracaenas. They don't get enough love. They're so pretty. They really are. Anthuriums. Some bromeliads. What are you doing here? It's not lavender, but it reminds you of it. I think this is teddy bear vine. Or spiderwort. I don't know, but it feels so dang good. This one's nice too. All the large planters are $19.98, of course. They have like a bunch of assorted plants. A lot of them don't have the ID card though, so there's that. Ay, ay, ay. Cannot use my left hand trying to pick up the plants. 3 quarts, and it's definitely full. It looks like there's like a couple different plants inside of that one basket. Watch a munch a bug. I wish I could. These look really healthy though. You can see. I think they're getting good light. They have so many plants. Usually at any other store, I'd already be at the Wick and Grow section. So this is nice. Somebody got the Superba Petonia and put it in there. Looks good. Very pretty. I'm obsessed with petunias right now. Nerve plants. I just think they're so attractive. But get back to the kangaroo paw fern. Very nice. I want to get like a Wick and Grow size of that. Here we have some type of aglaonema. Unsure of the type, but it's very pretty. This is like the narrow kind that I've been seeing. Butterfly plants are so pretty. Ponytail pine looks really nice. And this one is $39.98 and it's perfect. They did glue it in there though, that's the only thing. It seems like these golden goddess philodendrons are like growing up really nicely. It's definitely ready to be like staked or put on something to help it trail up. And miss my global green. I'm ready to go see how much trailing she's done, how much variegation she's got since it's got a little bit warmer and the sun is out more. Here's the orchids. They're so cute in the little cups. Those are perfect. Something about those. The bromeliads are cute, but orchid looks better. Oh, look at these. They're succulent bird houses. How cute is that? Oh, for a little hummingbird. Here we have the urban jungle section. Golden pothos. I have noticed that they've had green goddess. What is it called? Green, global green, or emerald green pothos. I actually had it in one of my last videos and I left it there overnight. I went back for it and it was not there anymore. But all of these are $13. How much are they? $13.98. The larger ones are $24.98. Really pretty. This one's different. Assorted foliage. I don't know who it is. It looks like some type of coffee tree or something. So now we're here at my favorite section, the Wick and Grow section. I said in my latest video, like I felt like, I'll put that on it. I felt like these are like the reject plants. But I guess it just depends on how you look at it. A lot of people want to grow their collection with plants that they know how to grow, plants they know they'll keep alive, and that'll be easy to make larger. So what is this? Starling ivy. I like how they have it like organized. Some croton. Here's a marble peperomia, superbia, Betonia. I had one that was called White Anne, so I don't know if that's superbia with White Anne something. More croton, more of the starlight or starling ivy. More croton, more of the Betonia red nerve or something. What was it called? Pink angel. I like it. It's very cute and compact. And then more of the starlight ivy and crotons. Is this some type of begonia? It's cute. Strawberry begonia. It's cute, I'm not gonna lie. It has this like own unique look to it though, for sure. It's different. It's cute. It looks like it's like rotten. I don't know. I'll leave it in there. I want to see what's going on in here though. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I have my iPad or what are these things called? Ooh, there's something going on in there. There's so many bugs in here. So many bugs. But it's expected, I guess, because I have so many plants. That's cool that just like the plant mom in me wants to rip it off. They do have some black rabbit's foot in the Wick and Grow section. It's like a fan just turned on or something. Everything just started blowing. Nah, not as cool to me. It just looks like a wet rabbit. The wet rabbit, wet rabbit. The kangaroo one. I'll put it on the screen. Yeah, this looks cool. So there's ivies, Betonias, peperomias, petrocrotons, Jubilee ivy. What is this? Rex. Some begonia Rex. More of the common plants that are always here. I'm really majestic. A Spalanium nidus highlight within one is Is that same one? I don't think that's the same thing. This must be like some kind of fern or something. Wow. They just have these ones like sitting down basically on top of the ones under them. So if you wanted to grow up, you're not gonna grow up here. I'm gonna leave that alone. Here's the end cap. Nothing too special. Lots of those little money trees and different decorative planters. Oh, so that's what they're showing. It's like a they're just getting really creative with these air plant holder things. Getting real creative. So there's tons of the Wick and Grow plants, like I said. Ooh, this is pretty. Betonia. It doesn't have any there. Betonia. This has become like my new favorite plant for sure. He's calling me. Let's let me do this little last shot and then